Hello and welcome back to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. This will be a quick little video or quick live. We had the Fed rate hike just a little while ago, and I wanted to kind of touch on that real quick. And we see, Bitcoin, nice run up. I mean, look at this beautiful run over the past day. We had the spike yesterday morning, and then today we have a beautiful little run up. Pew, 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 pew. And then Slap City. So keep an eye out. We did get some questionable stuff by the Fed. So Bitcoin falls as Federal Reserve slows rate hikes but stays hawkish. The U.S. Central Bank raises its benchmark interest rate to range of 4.25% to 4.5% on Wednesday. Officials now expect the current rate hiking cycle to peak next year at a terminal rate above 5%. So on Wednesday, today, the U.S. Federal Reserve raised interest rates by 50 basis points, half a percentage point, as it continues to slow the economy and moderate price increases. Moderate price increases. I don't know if you've been to the grocery store lately, or gas pump, or anything else to buy clothes, pretty much everything. The decision brings the federal funds rate to 4.25 to 4.5%, the highest level in 15 years. The peak rate for the current hiking cycle will likely be over 5%. Bitcoin dropped 2.5% since then. Wednesday's rate hike by the Federal Open Market Committee, FOMC, Fed's Monetary Policy Panel, signals a slowdown in the pace of hikes by the Fed, which for the past 4 consecutive meetings has raised rates in 75 basis point increments, or 0.75%. 50 basis points is still a historically large increase, and we still have some ways to go, Powell said. Inflation as measured by the Consumer Price Index, CPI, continues to slow on a yearly basis. November's CPI report showed that inflation rose 7.1%, down from 7.7% in October. Officials of the U.S. Central Bank said over the past month that it might be appropriate to slow down the pace of interest rate hikes while the economy adjusts to higher level of borrowing costs. However, ongoing increases in the target range will be appropriate, according to the FOMC. They also released a new set of economic projections and dot plot representing the Fed officials' projections, representing top Fed officials' projections for next year. 10 out of 19 central bankers who are part of the committee expect the terminal rate to be higher than 5%, but lower than 5.25 by the end of 2023. For 2024, the majority of dots were put into the range of 4 to 4.25%, suggesting that rates will continue to stay elevated for a while. And the most important decision is no longer the speed, Powell said, but rather for how long the Fed needs to stay restrictive until inflation comes down significantly, which he said will be some time. It's our judgment today that we are not sufficiently restrictive policy stance yet. So take that what you want. We got a nice... I mean, look at this rejection. Look at this wick. Oof. I mean, we didn't even get halfway up. Couldn't even get a pump. But we'll see. It could reverse up. It could reverse up. Let's see if there's any good levels to watch out for. I mean, we can come back down, or at least hold this. We can hold 17.8, 17.7. If not, we're coming back down here. And I feel like there's more pain. I mean, I've been saying it. Shit. Yeah, go look back some of the videos from back here. I did September, October, and called this a little leg, but we're having some some trouble getting back down here. I don't know. Maybe we'll stay sideways for another month or so. Look at the Dixie. Dollar index. Dollar index tank 2. Delete that. And the SPX. Kind of flat today. Yeah, just a big drop earlier. Nothing crazy. But yeah, that's just make sure that you're not jumping anything too crazy. And if you're chasing longs, be careful. I keep my stop somewhere right in here, depending on where you're trading at. Yeah, 17.64. If it breaks that, yeah, might come down to here, but ultimately, well, oh, you got another little point of control right here, almost. So we could come back down here. I feel like we will, because there's just the volume been dried up here. Get a little bounce, drop back down. But yeah, I hope you guys didn't get caught in anything crazy on this. And yeah, that's it for me today. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, I think. Yeah, probably be on tomorrow. Peace.